discover Loch Lomond, the Trossachs, and Glencoe. These places are famous for a variety of reasons. The nature scenery here is both beautiful and relaxing, with plenty of wildlife. When you visit, there's always plenty of adventure and beautiful sights. Loch Lomond should be on your bucket list for any trip, whether it's a day trip, road trip, or weekend break. Loch Lomond is the largest freshwater area in the United Kingdom, and its name is taken from Ben Lomond, the highest mountain in Scotland. The national park is comprised of 4 key regions and covers 720 square miles. These key regions are Loch Lomond, the Trossachs, Breadalbane, and Argyll Forest. Gateway signs can be found on all major routes leading to the national park. When was the national park created? In 2002, the Scottish government set up Loch Lomond and the Trossachs as Scotland's first national park. Loch Lomond is 22.6 miles in length and covers 27.5 square miles of land. The loch at its southern end is shallower than at its northern end, and its deepest point, which is near Inverness, is 6.25 feet. How many Munros are there in the national park? A Munro is a mountain in Scotland that is over 3,000 feet tall. Ben Lomond is Scotland's most famous and southerly place, and there are 21 of them in the national park. Benmore, located near Crianlarich, is at the top with a height of 1,174 meters. What wildlife is in the national park? There are 4 distinctive areas of the national park: Loch Lomond, Cowal, the Trossachs, and Breadalbane, and each offers a unique opportunity to discover Scotland's wildlife. Head north to Breadalbane and discover red deer, while Cowal's coast is home to porpoises and seals. In summer, you can expect to find ospreys feeding in Loch Lomond, while the varied forest landscape of the Trossachs is home to red squirrels, black grouse, pine martens, and otters.
Let's find out from where the scenic Route A82 starts and ends and what nature places you will see on the way. The A82 is one of Scotland's longest roads, stretching for 175 miles from Glasgow to Inverness through the west of Scotland. It passes several notable Scottish landmarks, including Loch Lomond, Rannoch Moor, Loch Ness, and the Caledonian Canal. What is the most scenic part of the A82 in Scotland? It's Glencoe. Glencoe is a glen of volcanic origins in the Highlands of Scotland. It lies in the north of the county of Argyll, close to the border with the historic province of Lochaber, within the modern council area of Highland. The glen is known for waterfalls and trails that climb peaks. Wildlife in the area includes red deer and golden eagles. Is Glencoe worth visiting? Yes, you don't want to miss out on the beauty of the real Highland of Scotland. The things you will see in Glencoe have formed centuries ago. All of them are still intact. The things you will witness were there hundreds of years ago. The natural landscape is something that you will see if you believe it, as it will give you the impression of something out of a fantasy world, but all of them would be real. Parking facilities for the visitors. Renting accommodation is available in various locations. Discover Glencoe in winter. When winter casts its spell upon Glencoe, lots of magical things happen. Colors shift on the landscape, crowds, busy traffic, and midges disappear, and there's every chance the mountains will undergo a snowy makeover. Everything slows down, but there are more than enough businesses still open to provide hot meals, cozy lodgings, gift shopping, and winter activities. If you like snow sports, ice climbing, and snowy hikes, then Glencoe has got you covered. For skiing and snowboarding, there is a place called Glencoe Mountain Resort, which has 8 lifts and 20 runs for all abilities. Equipment hire and lessons are available too. If, like me, you're yet to take up a hobby in snow sports, you can still ride the chairlift up the mountainside and go for a walk instead. The views of Rannoch Moor and Ballachulish Moor are jaw-dropping. They are extremely beautiful.
Scotland is a place you should visit. The Scottish landscape's wild beauty will enhance your health and provide tranquility to your heart and mind.